What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video you're gonna learn how to check for broken videos on your WordPress website from YouTube. So imagine that you, like me, likes to embed YouTube videos to better illustrate your guides, your posts, your tutorials, or sometimes you add some links to YouTube videos and you would like to know if this video still exists, the video is online on YouTube or not. And if the video is not on YouTube, it can hurt your audience, it can hurt your SEO, it can create problems to your site. So how to do this on WordPress for free is what we're gonna learn into this video. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. I have no idea how much it helps us, because I bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations and many more topics not use the internet on your site's favor. So let's get this started. First of all, go to our WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus, hover your mouse over plugins and click on add new. Into the search field, you're gonna search for a plugin called Broken Links Checker for YouTube, okay? So this is the guide that you are looking for. Click on install now. Click on activate, so will automatically validate YouTube embeds found in your published posts content using the official API. Click on activate. Now you're going to be redirected to your WordPress plugins list, the list where you can see all of the plugins present on your WordPress website. But if you review once again the left sidebar of menus on your site, hover your mouse over tools, and you're going to be able to see the YouTube checker working right here. So, broken link checker for YouTube v1.2. We will verify embedded YouTube videos, published posts valid using YouTube requests. Click on scan now. So right here, the YouTube with the plugin is still automatically find for me a post on my website that have a video that does not could be find. So edit. Here is the result. I can click into this button right here to edit the post, and the plugin already directed me to the post with the link for a video that does not exist any longer. If you have many videos to be found or many posts to be scanned, it can take more. This website have only a few posts, so it's faster. However, the plugin gonna works fine, gonna checks for posts and gonna find broken videos on your WordPress website, give you tips on give you the link for the post where you can be editing this in order to remove the video, change the video, or review yourself if it's working or not. In my case, the video is right here, and as you can see, the video isn't available anymore. So the plugin find this for me. Of course, if I have only 9 posts, it's easy to find, but imagine that you have 1,000 posts, 100 posts. You can go post by post and searching for videos. So it's really useful. But here is a tip for you. After doing the changes, after removing the videos right here, okay, for example, this one gonna be removed because no longer exists. So let me remove this. Let me update the post. After removing the videos and doing the proper changes, I recommend that you deactivate this plugin, because this using server requests in order to load and search for broken links, so it can slow down your site a little bit. As a result, I recommend that you deactivate this plugin after using, okay? So it is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case you don't have any question left. Don't forget to install our Borderless WordPress plugin in order to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site using Elementor or Gutenberg editor. Moreover, in the case you are in needs of the best free WordPress theme, go to our WordPress dashboard, appearance, themes, add new, search for Anzu WordPress theme, click on install and activate it. You're gonna be amazed about how many features this theme offers for free. And as a final note, in the case that you want your site up and running faster with our full support, unlock access to our templates library that is pre-built websites that you can import with a single click, change the logo, change the text, and have a ready website from the beginning, premium blocks, icons, assets, design elements, and many more pro features. Go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visual Modo Pass, and go premium. And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!